Human mind is very used to whatever is familiar, and therefore, have you ever noticed, if you have gone to any conference, if you use the second washroom, the next time when you will go to use the washroom, you will try automatically to go to the second washroom. In such a short while, in a day's conference, your brain gets conditioned and looks for familiarity. You are going for a movie on a Sunday and you drive, sometimes automatically you reach to that juncture where you take a turn towards your office, and then you realize you're going to a movie. The secret to staying younger is start doing things differently, taking different routes, trying out new things, different things. Just tweak your brain. Just let the new neural pathways get created every day. So for example, you are brushing your teeth every day with your right hand. Just try doing it with your left hand. If you stand in a particular position in your washroom, stand on one foot. Stand with a foot behind the other foot. And that will give your brain something new to adjust to. And this is the secret of reverse aging. This is the secret of keeping your brain agile and young.